Hey, what's up guys? We're gonna get into some Tempeh Fakin Bacon. So we're gonna use a 9-inch chef knife. And you want to make slices out of the tempeh cake. And I'm gonna cook it all, but you want, to cut the edge off because it's all round and stuff. But then when you get your slices, I like to do kind of thick. There's companies out there that make smoked tempeh that's kind of supposed to already be like bacon, and it's like pre-sliced and stuff. But I think mine's better. Yours is gonna be better if you do it my way, and it's gonna certainly be a little less expensive. Pack of tempeh is $4, and I think the smoked stuff is like $6. So once you get down to this little round part, it gets a little harder to cut here. Tempeh Fakin Bacon, you're gonna need lots of coconut oil. You can use other types of oil, but coconut oil's got a really nice nutty flavor. I like to use tamari, and the liquid smoke obviously is gonna make it taste like bacon. This is Hexclad. It is endorsed by Chef Ramsay. It's the best stuff out there. Okay, so we're gonna get cooking here. Turn the flame on. You wanna get the skillet nice and hot before you add your oil. So for a large pack of bacon, I'm gonna use probably about maybe a quarter cup oil or a big spoonful. Okay, we got the oil melted. We're going to drop in the tempeh. And I like to use tongs. It's a little easier to move the tempeh around, and maybe I didn't use enough oil. And you want to coat both sides. Kind of get it, just like you're flipping bacon. Turning bacon. Okay, so you want your tempeh to be nice and a little past golden brown. These edges are not quite as done as I like them, but we're just going to flip these again, just like you do bacon. That one looks nice. Tempeh kind of falls apart, so you got to be a little careful when you're flipping it. If you want these big long pieces, crispy tempeh fakin bacon. There's a good one. So once both sides are nice and brown, it's going to be what gives your crispy texture. Then you throw in the soy sauce first. Now, I'm going to use a lid, so you got to be kind of quick with this. The soy sauce will coat the pan, and it gets kind of sticky, so you want to do this rather quickly and throw the lid on before all of the moisture in the soy sauce escapes. So it's going to kind of You let that sit there for a minute or something and let the soy sauce really soak in. Then you're going to use your smoke. Same kind of deal. You just sort of throw that in there, put the lid back over, and once it soaks in, then you're going to take the lid off and let the moisture completely evaporate. So here we have the salt from the soy sauce, the smoke flavor from the smoke juice. I like to flip it over one more time to really get everything nice and coated. Okay, and we're gonna move it to a clean plate. Tempeh Fakin Bacon.